How to change background color of Instagram stories. So if you want to change the background color on Instagram stories, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram, now you can simply swipe right side. So here you will have your stories option, right? So you can simply go for uploads, which is on the bottom left, and if you choose a photo to upload, so here you can see that it will already adjust the background color. So we can't change the background from here, but there is another option. You can simply go for the upper right corner, which has the three dots icon, and then you can go for draw, and here on the bottom you will have a random colors. You can simply choose any one of that color, and after choosing, you can simply tap and hold on to that background, and it will change your background to the particular color that you have chosen. So now what you can do is you can simply tap on done, which is on the upper right, and you can go for stickers, and now you can scroll down and go for the albums icon or the gallery icon, and now you can choose your photo or your image that you would like to add to your story, and now you can choose the shape, and after choosing you can adjust your photo as you like, and that's it. So this is the only way to change the background on your Instagram story, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.